Okay guys, we're gonna test out this beautiful rifle. Lloyd, can you hold this first or put it back in the ano? So, we're gonna test it out. Try ko na walang earmuffs, no? Nasaan yung magazine natin for this one? Sa box. Pwede yung kunin mo? Or ito na muna. Ito na muna. Kasi, hindi, i-pause mo na muna, tapos kunin mo yung ano, maglo-load. Alright guys, we'll test it out. Okay? This is the Ruger Precision Rimfire, chambered in 22LR, suppressed. Okay? So make safe muna tayo. We'll chamber one round. Okay? Chamber one round. We're using standard velocity. Firing. Wow. That's quiet. That's very quiet. Guys, hindi ko pa siniro to. Okay? But it's high, right? It's actually moving, so hindi naman naka-zero to, so okay lang. Our purpose right now is not really to shoot. Ceasefire. Ceasefire. So that's how quiet it is. Okay? It's really quiet. Now we'll test this out. Okay? I'm not wearing any ear protection. We're not wearing any ear protection. And that's how quiet it is. Okay? Tayo ako, pare. Tayo tayo. Okay. Firing. Make safe, 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 safe. Firing. Ceasefire. Konti lang pala kinarga mo. Tahimik siya. Super tahimik. No? It works. Unload. Hammer down. Yeah, it's very nice. It works. Ewan ko, mas malakas pa yung tama. Oo. Mas malaki pa yung tama niya. Mas maingay pa yung tama kaysa dun sa actual na putok niya. Hindi, ganito gawin natin. I'll put the camera there. The mic. Lagyan natin yung mic doon. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalakas yung putok. So, okay. Sound check. Pause mo muna.